How to properly prep your vehicle for windshield defense. Properly preparing your vehicle for installation is crucial for best results. In addition to the tools that came in your box, there is a QR code you can scan to watch all of the step-by-step videos to guide you along the way. Let's begin. Step 1. Wash the entire vehicle to remove as much exterior debris as possible. Then, move the vehicle to a climate-controlled space. As an option, you can place a clean, lint-free hood cover or tarp over the hood of the vehicle. We recommend installing in an enclosed, clean environment away from high-traffic areas. Turn off all fans or airflow sources to minimize airborne debris, and place your installation tools within easy reach. Step 2. Spray and squeegee the windshield. Spray the windshield again, and then squeegee. Spray again, and then squeegee the windshield again. Step 3. Spray the windshield and use the scrub pad to remove any stubborn debris. One tip with the scrub pad is to make sure to focus on the edges and seams. Squeegee. Continue to spray and squeegee away all remaining liquid. Step 4. With a lint-free paper towel, spray and wipe down the entire windshield, including edges and seams. Step 5. Inspect the windshield and repeat steps as needed to get a clean, debris-free surface. Please watch the step-by-step installation video for what to do next.